Welcome to St Michael's National School, Newtown, County Carlow.
The following count was collected in Gary Hill, County Carlow as part of the school's collection. The school's collection is a part of the National Folklore Collection and was undertaken in primary schools throughout Ireland between the years 1937 and 1939. Mary Day. On Mary Day evening, a hawthorn bush is placed in the middle of a village green. Bunches of wildflowers, cowslips, primroses, bluebells, etc. are tied on this bush. Candles are also tied on it and lighted when it gets dark. All the young people gather together and dance around the bush and sing songs until nearly midnight. The prettiest girl is chosen and crowned Queen of the Mary. A wreath of wildflowers is placed on her head and she presides at the May Day festivities.
The following account was collected in collection as part of the school's collection. The custom of the dressing the May bush still survives in this locality. In the years gone by, the eggshells were saved from Easter Sunday until May Day to decorate the bush.
The following account was collected in Drummond in County Carlow by Mary B. Murphy. On May Eve, a May bush is made. May flowers and candles are put on it. The candles are lit and the children catch hands and dance around it.
On May Day, people make a bush before they bring in the cows in the evening to bring them luck for the year.
Hang on painted eggshells, watch the colours fly. Shells from Easter morn, welcome by and by. Decorate with flowers, hang them up high. Pretty fresh flowers, pretty by and by. Sceach, Sceach, oh, Sceach, Sceach, oh. Sceach, Sceach, oh. Torment tonight, jockers snugs there on Sceach. Tie on some colored ribbons, watch them as they soar. Pretty colored ribbons, how we all adore. Light it up with jar and candles bright. Light it up and up to welcome in the night. Sceach, Sceach, oh, Sceach, the well.